healthy, eco-friendly, intelligent. Tejjer has kept users in the first place since 2006. From independent research and development to mass production and then global marketing, we strive to bring a comfortable toilet experience to every family. As a national high-tech enterprise, we specialize in the manufacturing of intelligent toilets. We have a large-scale research and development and production base in the industry, with an annual output over a million units. With the ingenuity of intelligence, we have a professional intelligent toilet research institute, the CNAS National Accreditation Laboratory, the detection equipment for automatic formation collection and analysis. With world-class research and development capabilities, we cooperated with many research institutes to carry out multi-party technical cooperation for the new trend of the industry. We have obtained quality certification and more than 60 technical patent certificates. The ingenuity of intelligence is not only reflected in the first-class research and development team, standardized production control system, industry-leading automated production line, but also includes our Excelsior management and strict control of details. Until now, Tejjer has won many honors, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, drafting for national standards of intelligent toilets, drafting for intelligent toilet industry standards, top 10 smart toilet enterprises, and Zhejiang famous brand products. We have successfully obtained European and other international certifications such as CE, CB, RoHS, Watermark, ISO 9001, CQC certification. Ingenuity with intelligence is the mission of Tejjer and the most essential element for our brand. We are exploring the global market to win the high reputation of Chinese brand. We never stopped as long as we longing for a better life. It will not stop to pursue the quality bathroom. Your dreams and pursuits are always the direction of Tejjer. Tejjer, the ultra-comfortable intelligent toilet.